Today we're going on a bike ride down to the Redondo Beach Pier and Harbor. We're excited to show you guys one of our favorite restaurants to eat on the water.
So this awesome bike path is 22 miles at its full length, and it runs along some of LA's best beaches from Santa Monica all the way down to Torrance Beach. And it's mostly flat, and there's plenty of places to stop along the way and grab a coffee or a beer and some food. It's lots of fun. We highly recommend it. Pardon the extra noise, but we're here at the working part of the Redondo Pier, and you can see all the boats out here. It's a working fishing zone, and we're going to go down and benefit from that at the fish market.
You don't have to be smart. No need to dress up for me to see that you're a good man. You're a good man. A real good man. When the wind blows and the windows are closing,
That clam chowder was so amazing. We got clam chowder in a bowl. Okay. We're going to make a large ceviche. Fish.
Tilapia or snapper?
What do you recommend?
Snapper.
Snappers, and then 2 fried fish tacos.
With everything on it?
Yes, please.
That'll be $43.79.
Okay.
So we're here at the Redondo Harbor. Venues down the way with music and coffee, and there's a lot of fishing vessels and whale excursions. There's also some neat history. Kathy's father used to come here when he was a kid, go out on a boat that would take people out to a fishing barge where you could hang out and fish all day and then bring your catch back for your family. So, fun part of the adventure here is right next door to the pier, just a tad bit to the north, but you wouldn't need, they're essentially connected, so you definitely have to make it over to the harbor when you're here.
So we have 2 fish tacos still on the way, but we got some big pint of ceviche. Comes with these chips, the fried tortillas. And then we got this bread bowl of clam chowder, super fresh sourdough.
You master how to fly. You turn rain into a blue sky. Oh, when the wind blows and the windows are closed.
Here's our fish tacos.
You let the world know that what has been has been, and there's no use looking back, going back, wishing back.
Ice cream. So thanks for joining us today at the Redondo Beach Pier. Hope you got some value out of this video. We definitely recommend coming and definitely recommend ordering pretty much anything on the menu. Everything we've had is good, but ceviche and the tacos were amazing. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. If you like this, please give it a like and subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one.